The Lord has said for you to be the sacrifice.
What? Why?
I don't know.
Ask him. Speak to him. Perhaps there's another way.
I did. Every night as I lie awake. Every moment of this journey. Every step towards this place. This has been my heart's constant cry. Silence has been his only answer.
Have I done wrong?
No. No. I have done no wrong in my eyes.
Am I not the son he intended for you?
You are. You are the son of promise. He has promised a great nation through you. You, Isaac. He has called you by name.
Why then must you kill me?